welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in today's video I will be making boss braid extension protective style. So first of all, I will spritz my hair with water. So I will just part my hair into smaller parts so it won't be difficult for me. When I start braiding the hair, it will be easy. This is how I want it to be. I use the small bands and add oil to it so it won't cut my hair. I will be doing same thing to the front section. So I'm done parting the hair. The total number is 26 and it's okay like that because I don't want it to be very full. So I also did the same thing to the extension. I already sectioned everything into 26. So now I will be starting from the back side. As you can see, the hair is dried. So I'm just going to spritz the hair again with water and my conditioner and my oil. I use Jamaica black castor oil. So now I'll just place the extension on my hair and use my hand to part my natural hair into 3, then cross it and braid. So I'm done with this first session. I'll move ahead to the second session. same thing, divide my hair into three and cross it. Just continue crossing it and it's braiding. So I'm done with the back section, as you can see. I will be doing same thing to the front section, spritz it with water, add my leave-in conditioner and my Jamaica black castor oil. And that's the rubber. It's very good when you want to use rubber, you add oil to it so it won't break your hair when taking it out. I'm just straightening up the line. last one. I'm just trimming the hair, and I also put it in a warm water to straighten up the hair and also style my edges. And this is the final look. I will be giving you updates of how I am protecting my hair in this braid, because I will be leaving the hair for like a month. Thank you guys for watching this video. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and if you are new to my channel, please hit the subscribe button and the notification bell to get notified whenever I post a new video. Thank you. Bye. The Lord shall fight for you, and ye shall hold your peace. Exodus 14:14.